Hi everybody. I'm getting ready to show you a haul I did from Hobby Lobby, but before I do that, it is the morning time, and I think anyone that knows me knows I love my iced coffee, so I thought I would share how I make it. So I have out my ice cubes, my half and half. I just got done brewing. I just got done making my Pete's coffee, the dark roast, into my cup. Yes, I'm getting ready for fall. Here we are. Okay. And what I do is I have a cup. It's a Zoku, Z-O-K-U, and I just took off the outer shell of it, and I use this every morning, winter, spring, summer, and fall. I always have iced coffee. I pour my iced coffee into this, which has been in the freezer and stays in the freezer. As soon as I'm done using it, I pop right back in there. The other thing I use is brown sugar. So I'm going to let that cool for about 5 minutes, and then I won't have to use so many ice cubes. Well, I still do use a lot of ice cubes, but anyway, I'm going to let this sit. I'll be back as soon as it's cool enough, and then I'll put everything together. Okay, so the coffee now is cooler. I'm going to take my glass, and yes, I do use a straw. I'm going to put in my brown sugar, and I use 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to pour in the coffee. You guys, I love this. Love, love, love. Did I say I love iced coffee? Okay, now I'm going to add my ice cubes. Now this is my very favorite part. This is my very favorite part. I love to watch how it marbles when you put in the half and half. Watch. Every morning I love this. I love it. I love that. I don't know what it is. Every morning I go, every morning it's like, iced coffee. I might put a little bit more. Okay. And sometimes I'll just watch it. See? Oh, look, look, look. Oh, I don't know what it is about that. I just love it. Okay. And this deep roast, I mean, it's strong. And I don't like strong coffee, but I love it when it's dealing with iced coffee, because you can add a lot of ice if you want, and your cream and sugar, and then it makes it just right for me. And I always have a color that I go for. This is still a little bit too dark. I'm going to take a little tiny sip. Oh my gosh, that is so good. A little bit lighter in the color. A little bit more. Perfectamundo. I will add a couple more ice cubes to this. Heaven, I'm in heaven. Every morning, this ritual, I love it. Now that's exactly the color I like. And do you see all the ice? Okay, coffee's made. And here is the beginning of my haul from the Hobby Lobby. I bought these hydrangeas because I want to use these in my fall decor this year. Along with, and I already showed you this. Okay, so what I'm going to do this year, I really love these jeweled toned hydrangeas, and I'm going to mix them with this bush of autumn leaves. And I love the brown against because how it just all goes together. It reminds me of fall, but I still wanted color. And what do we do with our paper? What have I said? You keep this paper. When you go anywhere that wraps your items that you bought, I know Home Goods does it, Hobby Lobby always does it. Keep this. This is good for pattern making. This is good for protecting your surfaces. Don't throw this paper away. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and you'll see me do it as I go along and in my house tour, but I want you to look at how pretty these go for fall. And that green. And then I got in the fall section a few of the rust. They had these picks this year, and I didn't see these last year or any year before. But aren't these pretty? So I'm going to add some of this with this color. I think it is going to be gorgeous. Now, when I do this, I'm not going to use all of this in one, okay? What I'm going to do, especially for my mantle, I'm going to take a couple off, and you've seen me do this before. I never use a whole one unless it's for a big arrangement. But I'm going to take some of this off and put it into the mantle and any other area that I decorate with these flowers. But I thought those were real pretty. Tell me what you think and tell me what you are going to be using for your decor. I'd love to know. I love knowing that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's the fall. More concentrated on my faux food and my kitchen for Christmas, which is again going to be gingerbread, just like it's been for the last couple of years. But I always add a couple little things, and I have a really cute gingerbread I'll be making. This new, I don't think she's been around long, but she made the cutest little gingerbread, and when I do make it, I will give you her channel, because I can't remember her name now, because it's her name, I believe. Anyway, when I do it, I'll show you. I'll shout her out. Okay, so, oh, there was one other fall thing. Okay, this one channel that I follow, Studio MDAZ. Hey guys, well, I thought I had, why is this so hard lately for me with this stupid camera? I gotta get a new camcorder, I guess. Anyway, I was right in the middle of doing a haul, and I thought I was filming, but apparently I wasn't. That's kind of scary, guys, because I would have sworn I was. Anyway, I'm back. So I'm going to go through the stuff I got at Hobby Lobby. We started with the hydrangeas. That part was filmed. Okay, good. But now I'm thinking about all of my faux food that I'm doing for Christmas and decorating my kitchen with the gingerbread, and I'm going to do that again because I really like it. And when I like something, I keep decorating with it. I don't switch every year if I like it. If I like it, I'll add a few more things to it, and that's what I'm doing again this year. Okay, so because of the faux foods that I make, I and the way I'm decorating, I wanted to buy a few more pieces. So because Hobby Lobby is 40% off on all of their Christmas stuff right now, I went ahead and I got a couple of these ice cream cones, okay? And I got these because what I want to do is I want to make molds out of these so I can make more of them. But I gotta figure out how to do the mold on this. I might just make it. I mean, I've made them before and it's not that hard, but I thought if I made a mold, then all I'd have to do is just pour, you know, the plaster of Paris in, or whatever I was going to use for it, and make them. So I'm not sure yet, but that's why I bought these, so I could have them for molds as well. Knowing me, I'll probably just for the cone part, because I have the other cone that Dawn gifted me, the pink tree of those other ice cream cones. I showed you that in the summertime when I was showing you my molds. Actually, I still have to do ice cream, but I'm going to do sweet treats for fall. Why not? Especially when I live in California and it looks like we're going to have a very warm winter, which I don't like, but you know, what are you going to do? You can't fight Mother Nature, right? So yeah, I'll be making pumpkin ice cream, you know, ice cream cones and, you know, things of that nature. Anyway, I always digress, don't I? I always digress. So here are a couple of the cones, and these, let's see, this one was $3.99, 40% off. This one was also $3.99, and I like this one because it's the melted one, so this will go good with some of my faux food. Then I got this little house because I want to do a gingerbread house this year. Not a real one, naturally for me. No, not a real one, Daveda. You're going to do a fake one. Okay, and this one was $4.99. And when I give you the prices, it's all 40% off of the price I give you. And then I got this one also more for a pattern, and that was $3.99. And this one's made out of foam. Look, how easy, guys. All you do is cut out, get one of these, use it for your pattern, cut it out, and you can make more. And you can make them out of whatever. I'll probably put spackle on mine. And when I thought I was filming, I had all these in a package, the way they came. But I got the little peppermints. Now you can make these really easy with clay. And if I ran out, I would. But since they were so inexpensive, and these were $2.99 a package. And then I have the bigger ones. Okay. Then they had this garland, and this you can use not just for Christmas, but you could use it for the 4th of July as well. So I think I'll get a little bit more of this. They had it in gold and silver. One more of those ice cream cones. And this will go good on my Christmas tree in the kitchen, because the decor is red and white. These are cute too. I mean, even if you made gnomes, they could be holding these, because they're a pretty good size, but I have no idea. I'll probably put them on some faux food, and if I make a gnome, I might use it on that. I don't know. I just liked them, so I got them. $3.99, 40% off again. I got this ladder. I don't know if I'll use it with my faux food, or I might put it on my Christmas tree in the kitchen. I'm not sure yet, but this was only $2.99. And that's the regular price, not the sale price. I got this little gingerbread, and I've made many gingerbreads, and you that follow me know I've made them out of all kinds of things. I think I'll make some more, and I think I'll use one other medium that I haven't used yet for these. So I'll do that. These snowflakes I buy every year, and I do put them on my faux food, and I'll do that again. because to me they look like they're sugared. $4.99 regular price. Oh, and the gingerbread was $3.99 regular price. I love these little lights, these Christmas lights. I think these are so pretty, and it'll go perfect with the faux food and the kitchen decorating. Also, I got the colored ones. $2.99. And then I just got this string of garland, and you can cut those apart very easily. And then I just got a couple of acorns that I'm going to paint. 2 different sizes. But I think they're both the same price. Yeah, they are. Look, looks like a mom and a baby. They're $2.99 a piece. So that's it, guys. That is, I had to come back and film this for you so I can finish this video. I wanted to show you something also before we leave. I buy these Betty Crocker containers, and a lot of times I use these for my lunches at work. You can also put your spackle in these to keep them, you know, keep it fresh. But I also put embellishments in these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out, and I don't care that they're mixed as far as the size goes, because it's not like I have hundreds of them. If I had a huge amount, then I would separate them, but I don't. And then you just have them and these took up one of these, so I will have to put the little ones in another one. That's no big deal. I don't care about that. Okay. Okay, so now you can see through it. You can see what you have. Also, if you want, you can keep this as a form, and you can put a little bit of clay and make these. Say that you run out of these, you can keep just one of these. You only have to keep one, but here you have, if you want it to be the exact same, just keep one of these and use it as your mold. You can do that, I promise. All right, let's put the little ones in here. Little bonus to the video. And I'll probably buy a couple more packs of these. But there you go. Till we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.